If you have TikTok app on your phone, then you're on your way to making money effortlessly with your smartphone. Though it is no longer news, the TikTok don't pay content creators from Nigeria for their content on their platform, except you pass through the back door. So in today's video, I'll be showing you one of the back doors, except that this is legit. The interesting part about this is the fact that you can start with just your smartphone. So you don't need any fancy or expensive gadgets. But before I mention these three apps, I want to welcome you to OK Media, where I share valuable information on how you can make money online and attain the financial freedom that you desire. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, then share this video to friends and family members, as this will assist my channel to grow and encourage me to put out more helpful content like this. So without much ado, let us get straight into the business of today. The website I will be taking you to is Genni. The spelling is this: GENNI.com. Okay. So literally, what they do here is, as an influencer, you would promote a song. Okay, as an influencer, you're going to promote a song. So you will pick a song, or probably the artist will pick you. Then you would maybe use the song as a background. Then you create a video for your audience and use the song as a background. Then you will publish it. So what you want to do here, let us just go through the site first. You can see these are organizations they have worked with: Island, Capitone, Disney, Walmart, Gottmilk, Pinterest, YouTube. Okay, so you can see they have a lot of people, a lot of creators on their in their community rather, and these are testimonials of people, TikTokers that they have worked with. Okay, so and the way you earn on this site as a content creator or like an influencer, post a video that promotes an artist song. Okay, like probably you teach people something on your social handle. It could be on your TikTok, your Instagram, or your YouTube. Then what you just do is to link the song, or probably use it as a background, or in your comment you give a recommendation or a kudos or a recognition to the artist that own the song that you have used as a background. So you are promoting such an artist's song, and this is what they will pay you for. So the second way you can make money on Genni as a content creator is to post a video that promotes a brand or a product. You would have seen a lot of this on TikTok where influencers talk about like a particular app. So these are the strategy behind them making money. You might be thinking probably on TikTok will not pay Nigerian content creator, but they are getting brand contracts. Okay, you can see, and they are making payments just as you can see here. And the third one is to compete against other creators and earn cash prize. So you can see, you can use TikTok, you can use YouTube, and you can use Instagram. Okay, so we are going to go through the steps. See, they have paid over $5 million to creators, and they have about like 40,000 creators that they have paid. So as you can see, it is glaring there. So what we want to do now is, you can either sign up here, you can get started here, or you come to, I think here you can choose I'm a creator. So it's the same place it should take you to. So you can see Genni gets creators paid. Okay, so you can see evidence of people that have earned through the site. So again, the organizations they have worked with. Okay, so they are creators community or network. Then the testimonial again, but I don't want to dwell on that. I just want to take you through the steps that you need to register with. Okay, so you click get started, then it will take you to the tab. So you want to click as an influencer, not as a manager. Okay, so as an influencer, so you're going to enter your email address. You can just take any of your email address, then you put a password, you confirm the password, then you click next. So it has 4 stages. So you first need to create an account, and that's for your personal details. Okay, then your profile setting, maybe like you have to put your picture. Okay, then that's all. This is the finishing stage. So that's just all about their registration. Okay, so you can go more deep into this. I'm going to put the link to the site in the description below, so you can check it and go there. So the second on my list is spaceloud.com, and this is the spelling. I'm still going to put the link in the URL. Let me just put it here, not that I'm searching. space loud. Okay, so now this is the second site. Okay, you also get paid by promoting artist songs. Okay, literally just use them as background sound. You would have had some content creators on TikTok, they will ask you to go and use a particular song as your background that is going to make your video go viral. This is exactly what they are doing. They are promoting that song so that when you use it, they get paid. Okay, and at times they will say use a particular hashtag for that song to make your video go viral. So this is exactly what they are doing. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through Space Loud also so that you know how to go about it. So let us just go through the site first before we go to the registration per se. So these are people that have worked with them. Anapama Hardware. Anapama is a model, Hardware is a DJ and producer, and others that have major Laser, DJ and producer also that have worked with them. So an artist will bring their song, publish it there, then influencers get paid to share their music, okay, to their network. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how it works. Okay, don't click join now or log in. Come to I am an influencer. So this is where you go and register. Okay, like you can see now, it's saying get paid to share music you love. You have worked hard to build trust and influence among your fans. Now the Space Loud, you can monetize your followings. I hope you're getting it now. So when you just use the song for a video you create, probably you ask your followers to use that same music to create a video or to do a challenge, you are promoting the song and you get paid for it. So if you have TikTok, you have Instagram, you have YouTube app, what are you waiting for? So you have to click the view artist and get hired. So you're going to click that. So you're not going to choose artist, you're going to choose influencer. So you choose influencer, then you register your detail, and that is all. That is all. So you would have the opportunity to view artists that want their songs to be promoted. So you would now apply for it, then they would message you back. So if you have a large number of followers, you can take advantage of this right away. So that's about Space Loud. So the last one, collabhouse.com. So I'm going to put the link to it in the description. So as you can see, this particular site is for musicians, like the artists. But what you want to do is you can go through it to know brands that they have worked with, then get to understand the site. Okay, but as you can see, collab to promote music and grow together. So but what you want to do is you want to come up here and come to monetize music, and now you want to click influencer. You can see get paid to collab with music makers. So you want to click this side and it will bring you here. You can see get paid with the music in your content. So what you literally do here is to add your song to your content. Use it as background sound. Just use it as background sound, and that is it. So you get paid for the music you use, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube videos. At Collabo House, creators make money by featuring tracks in their content. This you don't have to say anything, just put it in your content. So they will now pay you based on the views that you get for that particular content that you've created, and you have used the song as a background sound. Okay, so you are definitely going to love this. You're going to make real money with this. So if you have large number of followers, this is the best thing to start doing right away. So you want to click get started for free, and you will be taken here where you just have to fill in your first name, last name, your email address, then you click I have read the terms and conditions, then you get. That is the 3 websites I promised to show you. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, as this will assist me to grow and encourage me to push out more helpful content like this. Also, don't forget to like, then share it with family and friends. So till I come your way next time, bye bye.